Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase your achievement. As you already know, today Hamster has released a new notification, a new information about your achievements. Everyone got his achievements from the beginning till today. So if you want to increase your achievements, if you know your achievements are not that enough, you need to increase them as much as you can before the listing date. So if you want to increase your achievement, here are the steps I'm going to show you how to increase. This is Hamster. Let's open it and I will show you. Okay, so this you see, as you can see, I have 18 keys, and I know a lot of people don't have enough keys. So if you want to get these keys, I'm giving away keys, free keys. I'm giving away free keys to my fans, to my followers. So if you want to, I have a Telegram group. If you want to join, I will drop the link down here. If you join my Telegram group, I used to give free keys like almost every day. I used to give like 3 to 4 free keys. So if you know you have less keys and you want to add keys, I will help you. Here I'm going to redeem one of the keys that I'm giving away. So let me see. Let me paste one key. You see, this is the code. I will just send the code to my group. If you claim it, if you take, you can just go and redeem it. So here I'm going to redeem the key. You see, I have successfully redeemed key. So I used to give free keys almost every day to my followers. So you need to go and join my Telegram group. So the next thing is about, if you want to know where your achievements are, if you have already claimed your achievement and you want to know where your achievement is, look at the left top corner of your screen. Look, you are going to see this to buy skin, and the next to it is this character. Then you touch the character here. If you touch, you are going to see your achievements. See your achievements here. You see them here. So see all. You press see all. See that, see all achievements. You see, these are the achievements here. Number 1 is upgrade card. Number 2 is upgrade cards to level 15. This is upgrade card. So you see 10 cards, 25 card to 50 cards. I have 50 cards, up to 50 cards, or more than 50 cards. So I don't have up to 200 cards. I don't have up to 500 cards. So I can, if I want to, I can upgrade and add more achievement to my cards achievement. So here, upgrade card to level 15. So I have cards that reach level 1, 5, 10, level 25, but I don't have cards that reach level 50. So I can increase if I want to increase, and I will show you how. So upgrade card to level 25. I don't have any card that I upgrade to level 25. So I need to upgrade a card to level 25. So here, collect coins. The coins you collected. You see, I have collected 1 million, 10 million to 200 million, but I didn't collect card up to 1.5 billion to 15 billion. So I have to do this. I can increase this if I want to increase my achievement. So here is invite friends. I only have few invites here in this Hamster account that I have. So I have few. If you have 10, you see 10 here. Achievement will turn to 10. Your achievement 25, 50, up to 100. And unlock skins. I have unlock 1 skin here. So if I have 5 skins, I'm going to see. If I have 10 skins, it is going to increase. This is how it keeps going. So profit, I have finished this one already. I have got all the stars I need to get here. So the first one is 100k coins. The second one is 500k coins. The third one is 1 million coins. This one is 2 million coins, and the third one is 3 million. So I passed 3 million. So you see, I'm done with this one. I don't need to increase this profit per hour. And the next one is Hamster. Watch Hamster YouTube videos. So I've been watching Hamster YouTube videos. I used to watch them. I don't used to play because I want to gather knowledge. I want to see how the thing is going, and I want to learn more about cryptocurrency. So I have got this. I have watched almost 25 videos. So if I want to increase my achievement under these YouTube videos, I will keep watching YouTube videos. Anytime they drop a video, I'll go and watch the video until I reach 50 videos. If I want to increase this one to 100, I will keep watching until it reaches to 100 videos. Subscribe to Hamster Telegram. So you see, for how long you have subscribed. You see, 10 days, 30 days, 60 days. You see, so I have to stay. I only spend 60 days. So if I spend more days, it is going to, if it reaches 200 days, they are going to add it here for me. If it reaches 200, they are going to add for me. So these are the easiest way to increase. If you want to increase, upgrade your card, you go and upgrade your card. I have 50 cards that I upgraded, so I will keep upgrading card until I reach 200 to 500. Upgrade card to level 15. All my cards, almost I have upgraded my card to almost level 15, so that's why I have 25 cards that upgraded to level 15, and I have many cards that are not up to level 15. So now I'm going to go and increase them so that I can reach these 50 cards. You see, so if I come here, I will show you that I have cards that I didn't increase into level 15. This one is 11, so I can increase this one to level 15, 11, 12, you see, 13, 14, then 15. So this one is counted now. They are counting on this one. This one is, you see, level 13. I have this support team, I have this level 13. I can increase this one and to level 15. Then I'm done with this one, and I will keep doing the same thing until I reach that 50. You see, this one is 12, 13 now, 14, 15. This is how you are going to do to increase your level. So I want each and every one of my subscribers to go and do this. Please, if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe, because I keep updating people this kind of good informations so that they can gain more. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to go to that stuff that I told you about in the beginning of this video. Thank you.